Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today is teach you make curve sewing and punching template. Make this shape. Draw two horizontal lines. The distance of the line is the same as the height of the curve. Draw vertical lines. The distance of the line is the width of the curve. Draw curve on the horizontal and vertical lines. Duplicate the curve with the parallel line function. The spacing is 0.3. Number is 1. Draw a horizontal line. The distance is 0.62. Length is 0.4. Draw 3 horizontal lines, separated by 0.4. The lengths are 1.2. (2.8). Symmetric replication with the mirror tool. Click on the axis of symmetry, select lines. Right-click to end. Use it to connect lines. Left-click to select the line, right-click OK. Draw 4 lines again. The first line distance is 0.47, and the length is 0.4. The other 3 lines distance is 0.4. The length is 1.2. (2). 2.8. Symmetric replication. Connect lines. Use Move tool to copy lines. Left-click to select lines and right-click OK. Click on the Move point. Click the intersection to copy. The length of these 2 lines exceeds. Reduce the length. Select the Intelligent Pen tool and press Shift. Right-click on the left side of the line. Decrease 0.8. Delete auxiliary lines. Use the mirror tool to duplicate the lines symmetrically. Left-click on this line to become the axis of symmetry. Left-click to select lines. Don't select the axis of symmetry, otherwise the lines will repeat. If multiple selections are made, left-click on the line to deselect it. Right-click to confirm. Same way. Delete excess lines. Draw a rectangle outside. Use Forfex to make pattern. Select the sewing template tool for sewing and punching. Select punching lines. Right-click to display dialog. Setting parameters. Number 2 is punching. Select the order function to set the line order. Box select punching lines. Right-click to confirm. Left-click on the first line. Choose both. The setting is completed here. And then other punching lines are set. Start index right 28. Set all punching lines in the same way. Select the location point function and click below the first line. Select the place point function, click here. Add pause point. Set sewing lines now. Same way. Setting parameters. Choose number 1. Set the line order. The pattern making is complete. Click it to save the DSR file. Thanks for watching.